Happy New Year, everyone. It is 2019 and I'm looking a little rough because it's the day after, well, it's New Year's Day. That's basically what I want to say. And I went out last night, so I'm just looking real crazy. I put this hat on because my hair, it's not looking good. I sweated it out last night. I had a lot of fun. I might add a couple clips to show y'all. I just had fun. But I just made my vision board for 2019. I did not make one for 2018, so I can't really review it. But I started to get really into and just researching a lot about the law of attraction and how vision boards actually work out. So I'm actually going to just be talking to y'all about that and then showing y'all what I have on my board. It's kind of low-key personal. I might not explain every single thing on my board, but yeah, so I've tried to film this video so many times because at first I was just going to show y'all just like a DIY how I created my board, but I'm like, that's kind of stupid. I feel like y'all know how to cut and paste some pictures and put it on the board. So I didn't even do that. There are some like really fancy vision boards, but you know, I didn't want to buy anything. So everything I did was from my house. But I will tell y'all one tip. If y'all are doing it from a newspaper, don't use glue because I use glue and it don't look the best. So yeah, use like you can get like these like circle tape from like any craft store, Joann's, Michael's, whatever, and you just like rip it and put it on the piece of paper. That's what you should do. But if you're printing something off of the computer, you might as well just use glue. It's fine because I did both. I did newspaper and printing it off, and the things that got printed off like on printer paper looked fine, but like the newspaper wasn't that good. So anyways, we're just gonna jump right into the video. Alright, so a vision board basically is just a visual representation of what you want to achieve or, you know, goals for the year, and it basically reminds your subconscious mind that is attracted to symbols and words and affirmations that this is what you want to do for the year. It's a lot of positivity. It's a lot of visualization. That's the main thing of the vision board. So there are a lot of famous people such as Oprah and Ellen that focus on the law of attraction and actually do vision boards constantly. So I thought that was really cool because they're well off. So I might as well just give it a try. What's the harm in doing it, you know? So what I did first, I made a list of goals that I wanted to do, and then I created two different vision boards. So with a vision board, you want to be specific of what you're trying to achieve so that you can latch on to those specific goals, you know? So I made two vision boards. One is a fitness goal, and then the second one is just more overall of what I want to do. So that one is not super specific, but like the goals are specific. Like you can tell on the board what I'm trying to achieve, if that makes sense. And then that's the goal. Like you want to create images and put affirmations on there that are specific and that are related to the goal. So I'll show y'all what I put on there, but yeah, just keep that in mind when you're looking for things. Don't just pick up a magazine and just cut out random things that don't even apply to what you want to do. Go on the computer, like write down your goals. That's the first thing, and then Google, you know, certain keywords that match your goals, and then that would be the images that you have on your board. So my goal is to create a video at the end of 2019 to see what we actually accomplished and if this is actually a real thing, the law of attraction. I know it's like a scientific thing, so I'm guessing it's really good, but I don't really practice that. So I just made this vision board. Hopefully it's specific enough. I plan to like get it framed or laminated or something that I can hang it up and see it every day, because that's the key. You want to put it somewhere that you're going to be able to see it, because you just want that constant reminder, you know? So I guess we'll just hop into what I put on my board. So this is my first board. I don't know if you can see it. Can y'all see it? I hope so. So at the top it says plan to action, because, you know, goals without a plan are just dreams, and we're not trying to have dreams here. We're trying to have goals that are going to be accomplished. So that's why I put plan to action. I want to reach 170 pounds by the end of 2019, and I don't think that's such a big thing. Like it would be the world to me, because that's honestly near my end goal weight. I want to be 160. I feel like 160 is the perfect size because I don't want to be a twig. I just can't see myself skinny for real. And I feel like 170, I'm still thick, but I'm a healthy thick, you know? So 170 is my goal. I'm currently like 197, pushing 200 if I eat good, you know? So yeah, 170 is my weight goal for 2019. And then another thing I want to do, I want to be able to fit a bikini. We got Ashley Graham, where she's just so gorgeous. And then I guess just this random girl I follow on Instagram, I think. It's kind of weird, but they just look amazing in their bikinis. And I chose girls that are relatable, you know. They have curves, you know. Because I know I'm not going to look like a certain body weight. I just know. The way that I'm framed, I have an ass, you know. Like, my stomach can go, that's fine. They don't even have that much stomach, honestly. Like, that's my goal. A lot of affirmations on here saying I'm stronger than my excuses, which is right there. I'm stronger than my excuses. I can keep pushing. You 2.0, take the hell out of healthy, relax and get healthy. You're unstoppable. I should have made that like in the middle. I feel like that's good. But I made the middle. I'm stronger than my excuses, because I feel like I make a lot of excuses. So I want to put that there. And then drinking a lot of water, because I need to get better at that. And then also Queen of the Kitchen. I know I just said this, that I don't want to do keto, but I want to try it in 2019 just to see the effects of it and to see if it actually works. I know the long haul effects that it can have on your body, but I just want to see. You know, it could just be a startup for me to eat healthier, you know? And then just to have a balanced diet. And then to eat dinner earlier, because I tend to be a night snacker. So yeah, so this is my fitness vision board. I'm gonna try to get a frame for it or laminate it and put it on my wall. Okay, moving on to my next vision board. It's bigger because this is like my overall thing. It's kind of big, if y'all can see it. Well, there's a lot of stuff on here, so we're not going to talk about every single thing, but I kind of sectioned my board into sections. I know it might not look like it right now, but it's sectioned off. So my first section is school. So I have affirmation of being a future physical therapist. I'm getting my white coat in February, so I put that white coat there because I know I'm going to get that. I ultimately want to be a physical therapist for dancers, so I put this physical therapist that is working with a ballerina. This quote right here is like, I need to like blow this up and hang it in my wall. It says, someone else is dreaming about the things you are taking granted for, because I tend to complain a lot about PT school, but I remember the days I was praying and crying and wishing to get into PT school, and people are dying for that opportunity, and I'm just taking it for granted. So, you know, that one I need to blow up. My YouTube section, I want to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know that sounds like small to someone, but that's a lot. I've done YouTube for about like a year and a half maybe, and I had 1,200 subscribers, but YouTube decided to just delete 300 of my subscribers for some reason, because I guess not all those people were watching my videos or something. I don't know. They were inactive. I don't know what it was. But now I'm barely at 1,000, but you know, I hope to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Another thing I want to do is to get a brand deal by one of these companies. That would be a dream. They're a big company, so it probably might not happen this year, but you know, dream, you know? So, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, or Gymshark. So I actually have this fitness Instagram that I just made it, like all about like my workouts and fitness, and I've been tagging Gymshark, so you never know. You never know. And I'm doing this thing called Gymshark 66 days. So, you know, who knows? It might happen. The next section is love and traveling. So, this is just a cute ass picture of a black couple. They just look so happy. And then it says falling in love and why settle. Because, you know, I just want to open up this year and not just be a curving girl. I curve everyone and I just need to stop it. So, and I don't need to settle either, you know. I don't need to just take what the first person that I see. So that's on my thing. And then I have these 2 black girls. They're traveling. Looks like Europe somewhere. So I just want to travel with friends. I want to skydive by the end of the year. I think I might do that for my birthday. I feel like that would be really cool. And then either to go to Paris or somewhere on the beach would be amazing. Establish my Instagram aesthetic. So like I feel like my Instagram's really like novice. You know, I want to be like, I don't want to be an Instagram baddie, but I want my Instagram to look nice. So I have like these different types of themes that I want to do. And I also want to be more stylish like these girls, if you can see them. So I just want to step up my game, you know, with Instagram and my style. Alright, y'all, so that is my video. Comment down below, what are your goals for 2019? Also, if you make a vision board based off what I just said, tag me in that photo. Just comment your Instagram down, or you can just send me the photo. It don't really matter how. I just want to see what y'all doing. And yeah, I just know 2019 is going to be an amazing year. I feel like it's going to have a lot of, not struggles, but obstacles, just like any other year. You know, I'm not oblivious to that, but I just feel like there's going to be so much happiness, so much growth in 2019 for me and for you. And you got this, girl. Let's head into 2019 on a positive note. If we put positivity out to the world, we'll get it back. I honestly do believe that. I hope y'all have a great 2019, and I'm gonna see y'all in a couple days. Bye.